Annealing is the process of stress relief by heat treatment. It's done by heating to elevated temperature and holding to eliminate the stresses and temperature gradients. Then slow cooling to suppress this transformation. Then more rapid cooling to the room temperature. The annealing temperatures is around 500 centigrades. The annealing is performed in tunnel-like furnaces called glillers, in which products move slowly through the whole chamber on a conveyors. Tempered glass is more resistant for scratching and breaking due to a compressive stresses on its surfaces. Usually used for windows for tall buildings, also for all glass doors and for the safety glasses. The tempering is done by heating to a temperature somewhat above the annealing temperature into a plastic range, followed by quenching of surfaces, usually by air jets. The surfaces cools and harden while the interior is still plastic. As the internal glass cools, it contracts, putting the hard surfaces into a compression. When tempered glass fails, it shattered into many small fragments. The automobile windshields are not made of the tempered glass due to the danger posed by this fragmentation. Instead, a conventional glass is used. It's fabricated by sandwiching two pieces of glass on either side of tough polymer sheet. Should this laminated glass fracture, the glass splinters are retained by the polymer sheet, and the windshield remain relatively transparent. Finishing operation on glass include the grinding, the polishing, and cutting. The glass sheets often must be ground and polished to remove the surface defects and scratches marks and to make the opposite sides parallel. In the pressing and blowing with the split dies, the polishing is often used to remove the seam marks from the products. Cutting of the continuous sections of the tube and the plate is done by first scoring the glass with the glass cutting wheels and then breaking the section along the score line. Decorative and service processes performed on certain glassware products include the mechanical cutting and the polishing operations, sandblasting, the chemical etching, and the coating.